Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without having to sell your kidney on eBay. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. In the blue corner, we have the Comgrow Ender 3v2 Neo, and in the red corner, the ELEGOO Mars 4. So which 3D printer should you spend your hard-earned cash on? Stick around to find out. Alright, let's start with the most important factor. Price. The Ender 3v2 Neo comes in at $199, which is quite affordable. Meanwhile, the ELEGOO Mars 4 is priced at $249. So if you're on a tight budget, the Ender 3v2 Neo wins this round. Next up, assembly. The Ender 3v2 Neo boasts easy assembly with just 3 steps. Reviewers highlight how straightforward and hassle-free it is to set up. On the other hand, the Mars 4 doesn't emphasize its assembly process, which might suggest it's more complex. Now, bed leveling. The Ender 3v2 Neo features CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling, which reviewers find extremely convenient. The Mars 4 lacks an auto bed leveling feature, making it a bit more challenging for beginners. User interface time. The Ender 3v2 Neo has a 4.3-inch UI with a model preview function, which users find very intuitive and helpful. Meanwhile, the Mars 4 rocks a 3.5-inch touchscreen with a real-time progress bar. Both are user-friendly, but the larger screen of the Ender 3v2 Neo gives it a slight edge. At Plate Showdown, the Ender 3v2 Neo features a PC spring steel magnetic build plate, which reviewers appreciate for its durability. The Mars 4 counters with a laser-carved build plate, which is praised for its precision and cool factor. Let's talk printing performance. The Mars 4 boasts a 7-inch 9K mono LCD with 8520 by 4320 resolution, which reviewers rave about for its high-quality prints. The Ender 3v2 Neo, while quieter thanks to its silent motherboard, doesn't match the Mars 4 in resolution. Last but not least, customer support. ELEGOO promises to respond within 24 business hours, which reviewers find very reassuring. Comgrow doesn't make specific promises about response times, which might be a concern if you need frequent support. Summarizing the reviews, the Ender 3v2 Neo is praised for its ease of assembly, quiet operation, and budget-friendly price. However, some users note a learning curve and minor issues with bed leveling. On the other hand, the Mars 4 receives high marks for its print quality, precision, and responsive customer support, although some users mention challenges with the FEP film and initial setup. So, there you have it. Both the Ender 3v2 Neo and the Mars 4 have their strengths. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, easy-to-assemble, and relatively quiet printer, the Ender 3v2 Neo is your go-to. But if you crave high-resolution prints and a laser-carved build plate that's cooler than a cucumber, the Mars 4 is your guy. Either way, you can't go wrong. But remember, choose wisely and print smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart, shoppers.